Packaging is in my blood. My grandfather started a packaging manufacturing business 70 years ago, which is still operating successfully today. Before that, he had a laundry business, which is part of the inspiration for the name. Father and I started packaging laundry in 2017 after we identified a gap in the Irish market for an expert IBC and drum reconditioner, like those that have existed for decades in the US and European markets. In Ireland, many businesses were and still are sending their used IBCs and drums to waste management companies or to the UK for reconditioning. This is both bad for the environment and uneconomical. Our goal is to enable the reuse of IBCs and drums which would otherwise have been recycled, incinerated or landfilled. Our vision to be the leading partner for high quality IBC and drum reconditioning services and products in the Republic of Ireland. We have invested in the most modern and efficient equipment to ensure we have the highest quality finish. Our internal washer operates at 400 bar pressure, twice the pressure of most older systems out there. Our leak tester is the same tester used by world-leading new IBC manufacturers, and it tests both the bottle and the valve. In achieving our goals, we are committed to safety, quality and environmental sustainability. By partnering with Packaging Laundry, whether you have empty, used packaging or want to buy quality, reconditioned packaging, you can rest assured our family will take care of your business for generations to come.